Hello students, in the last class we studied about the acidic nature of the phenol. In this class we can study the next property called electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution reactions. In that electrophilic substitution reactions, first one is bromination. There are two cases in bromination. First case is when phenol treated with bromine. Phenol treated with bromine in non-polar solvent. This is most important one. Phenol treated with non-polar solvent. That non-polar solvent examples are like carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. They can consider what happens when phenol treated with bromine in CS2 or in CCl4. Instead of that one, bromine in a non-polar solvent. When phenol treated with bromine in non-polar solvent, we get ortho and para bromophenol. Two products. This phenol, the OH group, in phenol, these lone pair electrons, if they interact with these pi electrons, they increase the electron density. At ortho and para position. This is the one resonance structure. This lone pair moves to this corner, double bond moves to this position. This is an ortho position. Similarly, this negative charge moves to this corner. This double bond shifted to this position. Then next resonance structure is here double bond, here negative charge, double bond, OH carbon carrying the positive. This is para position. That means OH group increase the electron density at ortho and para. Similarly, this position, this double bond negative charge moves to this corner, double bond moves to this position. Again at the ortho position, negative charge is developed. Electrophilic substitution means electrophile carrying the positive charge. That positively charged particle attracted towards the negative centers only at ortho and para positions. Hence, the OH group in phenol is an ortho and para orienting. You have to write the two products like ortho-bromophenol. Another one is para-bromophenol. Phenol treated with bromine in non-polar solvent like carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol is formed. You have to write the reaction. Phenol OH when treated with bromine in the presence of CS2 carbon disulfide or CCl4 carbon tetrachloride or non-polar solvent. First you consider ortho product OH. This is the ortho position. At the ortho position, Br get added. The name of this compound is ortho-bromophenol. In addition to ortho-bromophenol, one more product is this is phenol. At the para position, Br get added. This is called para bromophenol. When phenol treated with bromine in CS2 or in CCl4, orthobromophenol and parabromophenol is formed. To balance 2 phenol, 2 Br2 and 2 HBr get removed. No need of writing the balanced equation in organic chemistry. Majority of them they are not balanced. This is about the bromination in non-polar solvent. Second case is when phenol treated with bromine water. They are given bromine water. If phenol treated with bromine water, the product formed is a white solid. A white solid. That white solid name is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This is most important one. A white solid of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. You have to write the reaction. Phenol. When phenol treated with bromine water, here we are using non-polar solvent. Here bromine dissolved in the polar solvent like water, that is bromine water, or they are not mentioning the water, just to Br2, but for our convenience we are using bromine water. Phenol treated with bromine water. Then this is Br, sorry, this one is OH, here OH, then 2,4,6, this is second position. At second position Br, not Br2. Majority students are writing Br2. It is wrong, only Br. Here fourth position Br, sixth position Br. This is 2,4,6 tribromophenol, a white solid of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 3 moles of Br2 plus 3 moles of HBr. This is the white solid. A white solid of 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. This is about the bromination. Similarly, you can write the nitration. Again, nitration is also of 2 cases. With dilute nitric acid, with concentrated nitric acid. First case, with dilute nitric acid. Phenol treated with dilute HNO3, nitric acid, HNO3, this is nitration. Phenol treated with dilute HNO3, dilute nitric acid, the product is ortho and para nitrophenol. Ortho and para nitrophenol is formed. When phenol treated with dilute nitric acid, dilute HNO3, ortho and para nitrophenol is formed. You have to write the reaction. Phenol. When phenol treated with dilute HNO3, this is most important, dilute condition. Write the 2 products. During nitration, NO2 group is introduced. NO2 get added at the ortho. For the other product, OH at para position, 1 more NO2. This is ortho nitrophenol, para nitrophenol. Ortho and para nitrophenol. To balance 2 OH, then 2 HNO3, 2 H2O. This is the reaction. Then for 1 more, it is most important. These ortho and para nitrophenol. Ortho and para nitrophenol can be separated. They can be separated by steam distillation. They are separated. Ortho and para-nitrophenol can be separated by steam distillation process. Why they are separated by steam distillation process means this orthonitrophenol involves intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Within the molecule. In chemical bonding chapter, we are already studied two types of hydrogen bonding: intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This orthonitrophenol involves intra. For example, you take this structure OH, NO2. Here within the molecule between hydrogen and oxygen, they arise as a hydrogen bonding. This is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Within the molecule between hydrogen and more electronegative atom, they arise as a hydrogen bonding. It is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the orthoisomer has very low boiling point. Hence, it can be easily steam volatile, easily evaporate by passing the steam. Orthonitrophenol involves intramolecular hydrogen bonding, has low boiling point and is steam volatile, while para-nitrophenol involves intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Inter means between two nitrophenols. This is the one phenol, nitrophenol, another nitrophenol, OH, NO2. Between this hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen bond arises. Inter means between two molecules, they arise as a hydrogen bonding. This is called inter, this one is called intra. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it has a high boiling point and is not steam volatile. That one is not steam volatile. Hence, ortho and para-nitrophenols can be separated by steam distillation process. This is important for competitive as well as for the 1 mark. Orthonitrophenol, name the method used to separate, that is by steam distillation. Among ortho and para-nitrophenol, which one is steam volatile? It is orthonitrophenol. Why orthonitrophenol is steam volatile? Means it involves the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is about with the dilute nitric acid. Next, second case, see, when phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated HNO3, concentrated nitric acid, the product is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed, commonly called as the picric acid. Picric acid, this is important for 2 marks. How phenol reacts with concentrated HNO3, write the chemical equation. They can ask in this way. How phenol reacts with concentrated HNO3, write the chemical equation involved. While for writing 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, you get 1 mark. For chemical reaction, carries 1 mark. When phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. Then write the chemical equation. This is phenol. Phenol treated with concentrated nitric acid. The product formed is picric acid. Picric acid. Picric acid chemical name. Even they can ask for 1 mark. What is the chemical name of the picric acid? Picric acid chemical name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. That is on the 2nd position NO2, 4th position NO2, 6th position also NO2. This is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. commonly called picric acid. 3 moles of the nitric acid liberating 3H2O. This is about the reaction with the nitric acid. With dilute nitric acid forms ortho and para-nitrophenol with concentrated HNO3. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is formed. This picric acid is stronger acid. It is more acidic. It is stronger acid than any nitrophenols. Compared to ortho, meta or para, in the last class already we are discussed. Compared to any nitrophenols, picric acid is stronger acid. Why picric acid is a stronger acid means because it contains 3 electron withdrawing groups. Due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing groups like NO2 makes picric acid as a stronger acid. Picric acid have the very low pKa value. If you observe the pKa value for picric acid, it has very low pKa and very high Ka value. Already we have discussed in the last class. Smaller the pKa, stronger will be the acid. Higher the Ka, stronger will be the acid. Based on that one, picric acid has very low pKa and high Ka. Next, we consider most important reactions.